My name is Mr. Albrecht. I'm the principal here at St. Edward's Confessor School. We were at a principal's meeting earlier this year, and we'd heard that there's a possibility of doing a ukulele program next year, and I decided to volunteer to have St. Edward's be the pilot program. And the reason I did that is I am very passionate about music's place in education. And so I think there's a big connection between a student's academic growth and their participation in a music program. No matter how good of a musician they might be, I believe there is a benefit to giving them that time. So for us at St. Edward's, we tried to find a way to make it fit in our schedule, and we did whatever we could to adapt that because we believe in the power of music.
My students have been playing the ukulele for 3 weeks, and they're just loving it. They're very excited about it. They have had their lessons on Tuesdays, and they march in with their ukulele over their shoulder, and they're just very motivated to get to lesson time.
I was very excited to try it out. Some of the kids said they were 5 years old, so it's crazy to me to think that they could pick up an instrument and play it, but they did. The book is very helpful. It guides you with the string colors, which I found to be very helpful while teaching the children. Instead of saying like first finger down is F, I'd say first finger on yellow, and they responded well with the colored strings, and I have little guides for them with the colors and just the visual of the colored strings, and just being able to pick it up and strum it within the first lesson. They were leaving playing and so excited. I think that ukulele is a great instrument to kind of set the groundwork for overall music playing, no matter what the instrument is. It comes in a small size, so if 5-year-olds are able to play it, kindergarten's able to play it. The book says 4 to 104, and it's true. And I just think it's a wonderful way to introduce music, keeping a steady beat, how to be responsible for an instrument, how to hold it. All these things these children really impressed me with, and they left playing and excited. This is the perfect size for our little ones, and to just get excited about music and kind of get excited for other instruments possibly down the road.